What's up guys, Sinclair Photos here, and today we have a very special video for you guys. This video has been like 2 months in the making of getting here, and today I finally can show you what is in this box. A lot of you may have already known from the last video. I showed you the box at the end and on my FRS BRZ. Guys, in the chat, we all are going to be happy with this one because in this box we have the Pandem wide body Rocket Bunny kit V3. I skipped the V1, the V2, went straight to the V3 because I think this kit is the best looking wide body kit for the FRS BRZ 86 platform that money can buy. And money did buy this one. This was very expensive, probably the most expensive car part I've ever bought in my life. And I just want to say, before we open it up and look at it, I couldn't have done this without you guys. You guys supporting the videos, watching the videos, liking, subscribing, all that stuff. This is for you guys, pretty much. The car is going to look the way it's going to look because of your support. And once again, before we open it up, thank you very much. And I hope you continue to support the channel when this build is over, because this is going to look sick, boys. But enough with the chit chat. Let's open this box and see just what Rocket Bunny has to offer. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to open this up and I'm going to put everything else on the floor. We can see what all it comes with, and then we'll unwrap it because I know everything in here is in like a lot of bubble wrap. So here we go. Alright. Alright, so first we got probably my favorite part. Yes it is. We got the bumper. We got the front lip. Got one fender. Fender 2. Oh, it's like the mesh thing you can put in the front bumper. Here we got the diffuser, which I was super hyped when I learned came with this kit, because my diffuser, I don't know if the previous owner shot flames or something, but it looks like it was like melting. So good to have a new one of those. I don't know what this is. It just says SC. I think it means side canards. Those canards. We got more canards. Ugh. We got side skirts. Some big boys. And then we got, I think in here, got the hardware and then like the weather stripping for the sides of the kit so it doesn't like rub up against the actual body of the car. And then finally, we have a mystery package. I don't know what's in here, so I guess I'll go get the scissors and see what's in here. I'll pull up the goodies. We got some TRA Racing Tradition stickers. 2 of those. We got 2 Pandem stickers. And then we got 2 big Pandem stickers, which I'm super hype about. The stickers are always the most fun about ordering car parts, right? Let's make sure nothing else is in here. Nope. So we're going to put these actually back so we don't lose any of these. And then we'll get to the fun part of popping the bubble wrap and unwrapping these parts and checking for any damage during shipping. Which I really hope we don't find any, because I'm not trying to send this back to Japan. guys, so that's all we're gonna unwrap right now. All that's left is the front splitter, the diffuser, and the canards really. So those are even questionable if they're gonna get put on, except the diffuser. But pretty much what we have going on here is the skeleton of a wide body car just laying in the kitchen. So right now what we're gonna do is, I've seen TJ Hunt do this. I thought it was pretty cool. Is we're gonna go outside and try to tape on all the fenders and the side skirts to see where they would actually go on the car, and hopefully get a good kind of visual of how that's gonna look. So I'll see you guys outside in the blistering heat, taping on these fenders to the stock body FRS. All right, we're gonna start with the backs, and then we're gonna go to the front. You probably can't hear me because this thing's real loud, but this is the back right fender. Alright guys, well here's what it looks like without something, but Jesus, look how wide that is. I think you can get a better visual from the back because the front's kind of wonky as it is. We'll come back here, just look at that. That's gonna be crazy. Oh my God, that's so much more wider than the car, but that's gonna be absolutely nuts. I cannot wait. But we're missing one thing. Look at that. Kind of looks weird because it's like off because I'm on a driveway, but you can kind of get the picture of how insane that is going to look. The front bumper really is what ties it all in for me. Being wide is cool, but that front is just so freaking aggressive that, oh my God, the back's falling off. It's amazing is what I'm just trying to say, and I'm super hyped to get this thing on the car. I think I told you guys that my friend said that he could put it on next week at H-Tex Custom, so hopefully nothing changes with that. We can get this car in. You won't see it for like 2 weeks or so, and then it'll come back. Totally different car and a totally different color. So I hope you guys are as hyped as I am for this conversion on the car. I'm super excited. This is gonna be the final stretch of the build, and then if we hit a lick or something, make a couple G's, we'll drop a LS under the hood. But if you did like the video, please smash that like button, subscribe. If you're new to the channel, I couldn't do this without all of you subscribers, and I'll see you in the next video.